If you want to know how to get Fireblade in Motorcycle Mayhem Roblox, then guys just follow me in this video till the end. So there are two ways to get Fireblade in Motorcycle Mayhem Roblox. So if you want to get it, so one way is to get it by the Robux. So Fireblade is a premium bike, and which means you can only buy it with the Robux, and it costs 1500 Robux. And the second way is to earn it as a reward. So the Fireblade is sometimes offered as a reward for completing a certain challenges or events. So you can also get it as a random drop from the mystery box. So if you want to buy the Fireblade with Robux, so you just need to open the shop in Motorcycle Mayhem Roblox and click on bikes. Then you have to scroll down and click on the premium bike sections and click on the Fireblade and click on buy button and just confirm your purchase. And if you want to buy or if you want to earn the Fireblade as a reward, just keep an eye on the game's announcement and the social media pages and complete the challenges and event that offers the Fireblade as a reward. So open the mystery box and hope for a lucky draw. So the Fireblade is a powerful bike, so it's a great choice for a player who wants to compete in the top leagues. So if you're looking for a new bike and add to your collections, the Fireblade is definitely worth considering. So yeah, I hope it helps you guys, and if you have doubt you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.